Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi nabangan na sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para po sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus para sa buwan ng March 2026. Okay? Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. I hope you're doing good po. You're great, you're healthy, and of course, you're safe. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal sa inyong lingkod. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, ay huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment, like, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Sige, kunin na natin Taurus ang inyong 10 baraha para sa iyong reading sa buwan ng March 2026. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, maraming salamat po pala sa nag-a-avail ng mga personal reading. Yung mga nakaraang araw medyo busy po talaga. As in, fully booked pa po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Kapag andyan pa rin po yung loyalty niyo po at tiwala sa inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat din po sa recommendations. So, utang na loob ko po ang lahat para sa inyo. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Last 5 cards. So, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Taurus, your 10 cards are now complete. Ayusin ko lang ng konti. Mega shoutout po ha sa lahat natin soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sige. For March 2026, Taurus, let's begin your March 2026 reading with a very beautiful opening card, which is the Four of Wands. I can feel her a celebration, not only in a love life, in a relationship, because this is wedding, but this card encompasses as like a whole aspect of a person. So, ibig sabihin, kahit yung kapirahan mo, yung trabaho, or any kind of situation, it's like will be improving and there will be a celebration that is coming for you. So, congratulations, Taurus, kasi these Four of Wands signifies not only celebration but also a harmonious relationship, not only in your family but also friendship, your colleagues sa trabaho. Everything is very smooth, is very good, is in very good condition so far. Expect March 2026 na maganda ang communication, no confrontations, walang mga gusot, walang mga problema or kung ano mang mga hindi pagkakaunawaan. Okay? So, next Taurus, tingnan mo. Ito na naman. So, it's not all, this is an indication that is na Taurus merong malaking parating talaga. So, look at this 10 of Cups. So, this is not only you, but your whole members of the family. Okay, I can see her. Sigo Taurus, if you're expecting to get pregnant this year, so congratulations in advance. I can see her a new member of the family. Kasi eto, merong mga ikakasal din na Taurus, okay? So, may magsa-celebrate ng anniversary o proposal, may magpropose sa inyo, or it's like engagement. So, whatever is that. Kasi dito, happy family din ito. So, maybe there's a new milestone na magbubukas para sa pamilya nyo, sa buhay nyo. Congratulations, Taurus! If you're waiting for a sign, and this is the best sign kapag napanood nyo ang video na to, na talagang kung ano man yung hinahangad nyo or naantay nyo na something related sa big milestone regarding to your family, it will be coming for you. Okay? So, congratulations, Taurus. So, expect March, Taurus, to be a month filled with not only positivity and happiness, but blessings in terms of money. This Ace of Pentacles signifies that a big amount of money is coming on your way. So, isa din to, siguro you are waiting for, it's like, a payment, a bonus, incentives, or maybe promotion na magbibigay ng malaking sahod or sweldo. Or maybe your business will open a new branch, magbo-boom ito. Whatever is this, Taurus, may kinalaman sa pagbibigay ng malaking amount of money or stability about money. So, congratulations with this, Taurus. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. Simula March 2026, expect more blessings to come. Expect more money to come for you. Okay? So, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng mga baraha, Taurus. Look, we have here the Page of Cups. This is a harvest season for you. Expect March na makikita mo na unti-unting darating yung reward ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Maybe lately, grabe yung pinagdaanan mo. Grabe yung pagsubok with this, itong mga alon. So, talagang tinest yung patience mo. Tinest yung pagkatao mo until when ka give up or kung hanggang saan mo talaga kaya. But now, expect March 2026. Sinabi ko kanina, very smooth ang lahat. So, may mga parating. And this will be the new beginning for you in terms of stability. Hindi lang sa pera, magandang trabaho, career-wise, or relationship, friendship, or everything. So, this will be a big growth. There will be a big growth for you. Mapapansin mo yan, nararamdaman mo yun sa katawan mo na parang something good, something big is about to come in your life with this Page of Cups. Okay? So, chill, Taurus. May magandang parating para sa inyo. So, grabe. Look at this. Six of Cups. So, it's not only signifies success for you, Taurus, but it's like a kind of success. It's a kind of blessing to the point that you're going to share to your friends, to your family, and even to the community. It's like I can see here also Taurus na magbo-blooms like, parang kung dati stress kayo, parang hindi maipintay mukha nyo, parang napabayaan yung sarili nyo. I can see here also, pagbawi sa yung physical looks, muli kayong gaganda yung katawan nyo, muling mag-glow yung mukha nyo, you will radiate again positive aura to the people around you, Taurus. So, Six of Cups. After the Page of Cups, after the harvest season, here it comes now. It's like more and more unlimited, no? Non-stop blessings and stability coming on your way, Taurus. Napakagandang mga baraha. Grabe. So, before I proceed to our second row, sa ating last 5 cards, Taurus, yung buwan ng March 2026 na reading, if nagustuhan niyo po, please don't forget to comment, like, share, of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay? So, let's continue sa yung napakagandang reading, Taurus, with this is massive. Okay, maraming opportunities ang parating. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi mo alam kung alin ang uunahin. This is like a massive windfall. Parang ipapaulan sabay-sabay. Kung dati wala, stagnant. Parang dati walang nangyayari, mabagal. But this will be fast. Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Or i-connect ko din to sa Four of Wands na katapat niya. Maybe it's like there's a sudden celebration also. Parang may expected kayo na time, na oras na darating ito, ba't nagugulat kayo? Biglang mas napaaga na dumating. Okay, so any kind of situation, so maybe this will be fast, this will be early. And of course, this is mo, kumbaga marami ito. And nakita mo, sabay-sabay magugulat ka to the point that you will be so surprised kung kumbaga alin ang uunahin mo. Okay, Taurus, this is a good problem for you. Okay, tingnan natin. So, I have here the full card. So, pampitong baraha, full card. So, the universe is telling you to enjoy your life. Live your life to the fullest. Okay? I-consider mo na bawat araw daw, Taurus. Not only sa March, even every day of your life, to enjoy or savor the moment, Kasi if we keep on feeding our mind and heart with negativities, of course, ma-attract natin ang negativities. If we want our manifestations to come true or dumating or pumasok sa buhay natin, we need to clear our hearts and minds with the baggages, emotional baggages, and a lot of distractions, a lot of disappointments, mga sakit sa kalooban, mga hinanakit, kung ano man yan, tanggalin. Okay? And you need to start reclaiming your energy by pampering yourself, okay? By giving the best version of yourself. Okay? So, walang ibang magmamahal sa sarili mo. Go to the beach. Okay? Mag-travel kayo, Taurus. Kumain kayo ng masasarap na pagkain na ini-enjoy mo. Everything that will help yourself. Unahin mo ang sarili mo bago ang iba. Okay? Because before anything else, it's ourselves that needs the extra care muna. Paano ka makakatulong sa iba? Anong ibibigay mo kung mismo sarili mo ay ubos na? So, this full card is reminding you, Taurus, to regain your authority, to regain your power that you have. Okay? So, just enjoy the show. Okay? Wag mo problema. Oh, look at this one. Very beautiful. Taurus. I can see here, March 2026 will be a very lucky month for you. Napakaswerte itong buwan para sa iyo. Andito ang roleta ng kapalaran, Taurus. So this signifies more blessings, good news, success, victory. So whatever it is, kung ano man ang iniisip mo, kung ano man ang iniantay mo, ano man ang mga pinaplano mo, whatever things that keeps on running on your mind. So March 2026 ang magiging kasagutan ng lahat ng katanungan mo. Nandito ang ruleta ng kapalaran. The universe is telling you to put your trust to God and universe that everything will fall into place for you. And with this Wheel of Fortune card, maggulat ka. Malayo ka na doon sa dating Taurus na ikaw na from walang-wala, from Taurus na puro problema, from Taurus na parang hindi na alam kung paano babangon. This will be a big, kumbaga, biglang liko ng sitwasyon mo. Okay? So, congratulations, Taurus. Andito ang Wheel of Fortune. So, you are guaranteed. Alam mo, anong katapat ng Wheel of Fortune? Andito yung Ace of Pentacles. Listen, Taurus, if I were you, okay, nararamdaman ko dito kasi magkatapat big amount of money to. I can see here that you will hit a jackpot. Subukan mo tumaya sa March, sa mga lottery, sa lotto, sa mga raffles, or any kind of thing, game of chance na may involve ng money. Okay, subukan nyo. Kasi andito yung Wheel of Fortune, magkatapat sila ng Ace of Pentacles. You can see here big amount of money that is coming on your way sa March 2026. Okay, balatuhan nyo na lang ako. So, Taurus, this is a very beautiful cards. This is a very beautiful reading. We have 2 cards left, ha? Tingnan natin. Look at this one. Lumabas yung 9 kanina, dito naman yung 10 of Cups. So, this is good news. This is elevation. This is promotion. This is something fresh that will add, magdadagdag na naman sa mga trophies mo, sa mga recognition mo, sa mga awards mo, sa mga naipundar mo, sa mga ipon mo. So, here you are. Stability. To the point that you're not going to worry anymore. I-claim it to Taurus. Your life will be moving forward. Your life will be drastically changed to the life that you are wishing for and to the life that you are dreaming for. Ito yung buhay na pinapangarap mo. I-claim mo ito. So, sa dami nitong magagandang barahan na to, believe me, Taurus, balikan nyo ako sa video to. I-PM nyo ako whatsoever. Claim it. Starting March 2026, you will witness how all of these blessings will unfold and will knock on your doors. Okay? How will these doors of opportunities will be opening for you, Taurus? Ikaw na lang ang problema. I-claim mo ito. Believe me. Believe in the power of the universe. Put your faith to God, to Almighty Power, or Almighty Being. Taurus, please. This is one of a kind na reading na nakita ko. Tama, napakalumanay ko ngayon. That's why parang cool, parang, chill lang yung reading ko. That's why, ito pala. Sobrang gaganda. Okay? 10th and last card mo. So we have here the Strength card. You will be finding the happiness, the contentment that you are wishing for starting March 2026. Cast all of your doubts and fears. Tanggalin mo yung mga pagdududa sa sarili mo, sa galing mo. Tanggalin mo yung mga takot at mga pagdadalawang isip. Here, the universe will be giving you the strength, the clarity, the wisdom to carry on and to move forward. Andito ang Wheel of Fortune. Andito yung Ace of Pentacles. Andito yung 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Andito yung 9 of Cups. So, andito yung 8 of Wands. So, andito yung full card. Ni isang sword walang lumabas. Okay? So, what does it mean? March 2026 will be stress-free, worry-free, but a month full of blessings and abundance that is coming in your way. Taurus, I'm wishing you all the best in life. I hope and I pray na marami nasasayo ng Taurus sa mga kapatid ito nga. Kapag nagustuhan niyo po or naka-resonate kayo, huwag kayong mahimong comment. Nagbabasa po ako, nagre-reply ng mga comments, like and share. Click notification bell para lagi po kayo updated. And of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless us all.